Welcome to World Unveilers. Today we explore one of the most astonishing scientific revelations of our time, a discovery that is reshaping what we know about our planet. Scientists have confirmed the existence of a new continent, a continent that has been hiding in simple sight beneath the waves of the Pacific Ocean. Its name is Zealandia.
Zealandia, the eighth continent. It sounds like the plot of an Indiana Jones movie, but it's right under New Zealand's feet, literally. New Zealand and New Caledonia are just the visible tips. Everything else, a massive landmass stretching beneath the Pacific Ocean.
For generations, we grew up believing Earth had 7 continents, yet deep beneath the surface, there has been an eighth, a vast landmass stretching millions of square kilometers, almost completely submerged. Although scientists suspected its existence for decades, only recently has it been studied in enough detail to officially classify it as a continent. Zealandia lies just beside New Zealand, which is actually one of the few visible parts of this hidden landmass. Many people assume New Zealand is simply a pair of islands in the Pacific, but in reality, it is the tip of a much larger geological structure. Beneath the ocean's surface lies a continent-sized slab of Earth's crust, connected in shape, structure, and history. This is why scientists named it Zealandia. What makes Zealandia so remarkable is its size. It spans roughly 4.9 million square kilometers. That makes it larger than India and significantly larger than several recognized microcontinents. Scientists describe it as a thin continent, because its crust is much thinner than the crust of continents like Africa or Asia. That thinning is one of the reasons it sank beneath the ocean millions of years ago. To understand how Zealandia ended up underwater, we have to go back around 80 million years when it was part of the ancient supercontinent Gondwana. Gondwana included what is now Antarctica, Australia, Africa, South America, and the Indian subcontinent. Over millions of years, tectonic forces began to pull Gondwana apart. Zealandia slowly drifted away and became isolated. As it separated, its crust stretched and thinned until it gradually sank. By about 95%, this once massive continent slipped below the ocean. Because so much of Zealandia is underwater, it escaped human discovery. Mapping the ocean floor is far more difficult than mapping land. For centuries, we simply didn't have the technology to see it. Only after the development of advanced satellite measurements, deep-sea sampling, and modern geological surveys did scientists realize that the ocean floor around New Zealand was not typical oceanic crust, but continental crust. This discovery has enormous scientific importance. It helps geologists understand how continents split apart and how Earth's crust evolves. Zealandia also contains clues about ancient ecosystems, long-lost climates, and movements of tectonic plates. Scientists have already found evidence of ancient forests, volcanic systems, and mountain ranges now buried under the sea. Although no humans live on Zealandia as a continent, small portions of it rise above sea level. These include New Zealand itself and New Caledonia. These land areas are like the mountain peaks of a world submerged beneath the ocean. The rest of the continent lies under hundreds to thousands of meters of water. In recent years, scientific expeditions have explored Zealandia more closely. Research vessels have drilled into the seafloor, collecting rock samples that reveal its history. Some samples contain pollen, shells, and sediments, showing that parts of Zealandia were once above sea level. Others contain volcanic rocks that told stories of ancient eruptions and geological upheavals. Each discovery confirms that Zealandia is not just a random patch of ocean floor, but a true continent with all the characteristics that define one. One of the most exciting developments is that scientists have now created the first complete geological map of Zealandia. This map reveals mountain chains, basins, ridges, and structures similar to those found on other continents. The more that scientists uncover, the clearer it becomes that Zealandia deserves recognition as Earth's eighth continent. The discovery of Zealandia teaches us that Earth is still full of mysteries. Even with satellites, supercomputers, and deep-sea sensors, our planet still holds secrets waiting to be revealed. Zealandia is a reminder that exploration is far from over. As research continues, scientists hope to learn more about the life that once existed on Zealandia, the forces that shaped it, and what its future might hold. The more information they gather, the more we understand our planet's past, and perhaps even its future. This is the story of Zealandia, the hidden continent beneath the Pacific, rising not from the ocean, but from the shadows of scientific curiosity. And as new discoveries emerge, world unveilers will be here to keep you informed. Thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe for more incredible stories about the mysteries of our world.